Good day everyone. So mo ni atong day 4 no sa pag-answer diri sa atong mga Flipcards sa mga questions diri. So guys, atong day 3 kay very good kay jud kay tang dapita dadto. Kay isa ra jud atong wala nansiran. So atong kuan nato goal is mansiran nato ni tanan jud unta karong adlaw no. Kay sa day 3 pa lang hapit naman to mahurot jud unta. Ug wa lang nalimtan ang isa ka question about sa customer involvement ug sa to risk management ba to siya guys. Basta murag kadto. So karon sa day 4 guys, same method gyapon itong himuon, mag-flip tag ikatulo then ikuan lang sa likod basta mga nato gyapon guys and ansiran gyapon nato, tagano nato unsa jud ang answers then atong ikuan kung asa taman jud atong mansiran karong day 4 kay day 4 na ni siya guys. So hapit na no, last na ugma guys. So dapat karon mansiran nato ni tanan para ugma murag magkuanay na lang taninyo sa mga naansiran nako karong day 4. So guys, sige na, ato na sugdan no. So ato ni isaksak ikatulo. So 1, 2, and 3. Then atong ikuha lang sa likod, i-flip na to. Okay. Okay, so start na ta guys. So first question, tantaran. So kani. Ano yung first question? Use blank if the project requires continuous feedback or continuous update rather, user feedback and rapid delivery of working features. So ang answer ani is Agile. And 1, 2, 3 atong i-flip back and ang answer is Agile. So correct na guys. Second question. The blank is a linear and sequential software development approach where each phase must be completed before the next phase begins. So ang answer ani is Waterfall model. So atong i-flip o correct ba jud ta? And tararan. So correct ta guys, waterfall model. So kaduhang correct nato guys. Third question. The blank is an iterative and flexible approach where development is divided into small increments called sprints. So ang answer ani guys kay Agile model. And 1, 2, 3 flip. And here we go. Agile model ang answer and we are correct guys. So third correct na nato ni. Pang fourth question. Ano siya? So what are the typical phases of waterfall model? So nato siya unong kabuok, requirements analysis, system design, implementation, integration and testing, deployment, and of course maintenance. So 1, 2, 3 flip. And here we go. So correct ta guys, correct kayo ta diring dapita. So murag dali-dali ra nato siya na ansira no. Kay of course day 4 na gud karon guys. So murag ma-study yan. Nakabalo na jud ta sa mga answers aning dapat. And mo na to pang upat correct na nato to and kani ang pang fifth. Murag mao ni guro tong wala na ansira nato last time ba. So ha daw. How do waterfall and agile models differ in terms of customer involvement and risk management? So sa customer involvement guys, istudyahan ako to kay kuan. Ang waterfall kay minimal siya mainly at the starts while ang agile kay continuous feedback and collaboration. Sa risk management guys kay high risk ang waterfall nato due to late testing stage or late stage testing guys. Then atong agile kay kuan to siya lower risk due to frequent iterations. So balik ko na ako guys. Sa customer involvement, ang atong kuan, ang atong waterfall kay minimal mainly at the start. Then atong agile kay kuan siya guys, continuous feedback and collaboration. Then ang sa risk management guys, excuse me ha kay nagkatulak akong mata guys, sorry. So sa atong risk management guys is kuan. Ang waterfall kay high risk siya due to late stage testing. Ang atong agile kay lower risk siya due to frequent iteration. So atong i-flip 1, 2, 3 flip and taran. So waterfall sa customer involvement minimal mainly at the start. Ang agile continuous feedback and collaboration. Sa risk management ang waterfall kay high risk due to late stage testing. Ang agile kay lower risk due to frequent iterations. And very good! Na-correct ta guys. So pang tip correct na nato ni or na-answeran nato itong wala nato na-answeran ganina. Oh my god. Joke. So moro to guys. No? So lima ka. correct na ta karon. 5 correct na ni. Pang 6 correct. I mean 6 question rather. Hay gauna-una naman ta ani oy. So 6 correct. Ay 6 question lagi. Use blank if the project has well-defined requirements, minimal expected changes, and clear timeline. So ang answer ani is waterfall. And 1 2 3 flip. Charan! So, correct ta guys. Pang-unom na nato ni ka-correct. Very good kay ta ba? Unta magpadayon na ni kay nansira na nato tungwa nato nansiran ganina. And now, what are the key agile methodologies? So, ang answer ani is tulo siya kabuok, di ba? So, Scrum, Kanban, and Extreme Programming. And 1 2 3 flip. And that is the answers. Scrum, Kanban, Extreme Programming, and correct ta guys. So, pangpila na nato ni pang 7th question or pang 7th correct answer rather. And this is now pang 8th question. What are the weaknesses of the agile model? So agile model weaknesses. So katong taas guys no, hapit ato malimtan ato last time. So requires close collaboration. Difficult to predict cost and time. Not ideal for large-scale projects without clear structure. Isa na lang guys, tabangin ko ninyo memorize guys. Isa na lang. Dependency on skilled teams. Oh my god, unta sakto guys. Sige lang tayo na to. 1 2 3 flip. And requires close collaboration, difficult to predict cost and time, not ideal for large-scale projects without clear structure. Dependency on skilled teams, and we are correct. So this is now our 8th corrected answer. And now for the 9th question. What are the weaknesses of the waterfall model? So weaknesses sa waterfall model. So nato siya guys. Upat ang tato kabuk guys. Upat. Yeah, upat to siya guys. So inflexibility, slow adaptation to changes, not ideal for large projects, and late testing. So mo to siya guys, upat no. So itong 1 2 3, yung 1 2 3 flip na to. 1 2 3 flip. And inflexibility, slow adaptation to changes, late testing, not ideal for uncertain requirements. So wrong ta guys. Di siya kuan guys. So di siya kuan no, kanang di siya large projects, uncertain requirements siya. Kaya guys, at least hapit-hapit naman po to siya, no? Patura itong nalimtan ang uncertain requirements no word. So, natay one wrong. Kaya na guys, padayon lang ta, no? So, padayon lang ta. So, now, for the 10th question, what are the strengths of the waterfall model? So, sa strengths ng waterfall model, na po to siya something upat to. Upat to siya guys. So, na siya clear structure, predictability, good for large projects and easier to manage. So, atong lantawon, ug sakto ba atong answer aning question? So, 1 2 3 flip, and clear structure, predictability, good for large projects, easier to manage, and we are correct. So, 9 na atong na-answeran nga correct, everyone. So, 9 na. Kani pang 11th question. 11th question. So, how do waterfall and agile approaches differ in terms of time to market, flexibility, and cost and change management? So, again, sa time to market, ang waterfall nato guys is longer, while ang atong agile is faster. Sa flexibility pod guys, ang waterfall kay low ang flexible niya or flexibility. Ang sa agile kay high flexibility na siya. Then sa change management, ang atong waterfall guys kay difficult and costly, while sa atong agile kay kuan siya. Wait lang, apit ko malimot guys. Usa to siya. Easily adaptable. Easily adaptable ito siya guys. So, atong i-flip. 1 2 3 flip. And okay, sumo na siya guys. So, okay, longer, faster, low, high, difficult, and costly, easily adaptable. So, we are correct guys. So, pang 10th correct na nato ni. Okay, very good kay ta. Then, karon for the 12th question. So, compare waterfall and agile in terms of their approach. So, mubo na ito lang approach, diba guys? So, ang approach sa waterfall is sequential, and structured. Then, ang sa Agile is iterative and flexible. So, atong i-flip. 1, 2, 3, flip. And ang answer is kana. So, correct ta guys. And this is now our 12 na correct na to. So, 12 correct na ta. And now, for the 13th question. What are the strengths of the Agile model? So, strengths Agile model. Okay, guys. Wait lang. Gi-answeran ba na ako nila ganina, guys? So, ang strength ay, strength sa Agile model is flexibility, faster delivery, customer collaboration, early bug detection, better risk management. So, atong i-flip para mabalaan to ang answer, guys. So, 1, 2, 3, flip, and here we go. So, correct ta, guys. Correct ito during the pita. Oh my God. This is pang 12 answer na nato nga na correct. Then, now for 14th question. What are the differences between Waterfall and Agile models in terms of project size suitability? So, ang Waterfall model, guys, is work best for large, well-defined projects, while ang atong Agile ideal for small to medium size evolving projects. Atong i-flip into 1, 2, 3, and muna siyang answer. And we are correct. So, pang 13, correct na nato ni. And this is now, oops, ang answer mo na. Oopsie. So, ato ibalik to, guys, no? So, wala ko to nakita ng answer, ha? Wala ko to siya nakita. So, pang 14th na question. Okay, differentiate the testing phase of Waterfall and Agile models. Katulki akong mata, guys. Sorry. So, okay. Again, differentiate the testing phase of Waterfall and Agile models. So, ang answer ani is ilahang testing phase, no? So, ang Waterfall na to, guys, is done after development is complete. Ang atong Agile kay continuous throughout development. And atong i-flip, ha? Para ibala na to, tama ba? 1, 2, 3, flip. Oops. Nadaot na itong kuan, guys. Flipcard, guys. So, muna siyang answer. So, Waterfall, done after development is complete and continuous throughout development. So, correct ta, guys. And, same sa kuan, day 3, so 14 rapod kabuk atong nansiran karon, guys. So, na tayo na miss isa kabuok. Kani siya. So, na-wrong na to yung answer, no? Kay uncertain requirements man atong giingon. I mean, large projects and uncertain requirements man ni diri. So, mo tong mali ta, guys. So, okay na to, guys. At least, nagkuan gyapon no nga 14 gyapon atong nansiran. Wa siya ning baba. Nagstay lang siya gyapon sa kuan. Same nga atong kuan, atong record score or recorded score rather. So, mo ni siya, guys. Itong mga nansiran karon and mo ni atong nansiran, no? So, very good ra gyapon ta. Baka day ugma sa tungkuan, last day is masira na jud nato siya tanan. So, i-pray lang nato, mag-study lang jud tag sakto jud. Kanang wa na jud tay malimtan, no. So, mao ra to, guys, sa akong day 4 karong adlaw, no. So, tomorrow dadto na jud nato may balaan kung effective ba jud kay ni siya nga tool as a learning tool sa ato ang mga pag-study sa ato ang mga subjects or sa ato ang mga lessons sa atong subjects. So, katura, guys. Again, ayaw mong kalimot sa pag-subscribe, like and subscribe, and of course, see you sa kong last day aning at ko testing, and have a good day din sa inyo, ha, and of course, goodbye and see you again tomorrow. Bye.